Kunal Dhamesha as well, who's joining us on this. Kunal, take us through the kind of implications of this USFDA nod for Lupin.
Hello. Hello.
Kunal, can you hear me?
I am just able to hear you now. I did not get the question part.
All right. I was asking you on the implications of this USFDA nod coming in for Lupin, the kind of opportunity that's there for the counter on the back of this, and the kind of fillip it might be for the stock.
Right. So, first of all, I think it's a positive news for Lupin because this marks the first step in the direction of unlocking its complex generic pipeline in the US market. And specifically on this approval, the total albuterol market before any generic entry was estimated to be approximately 1 billion. And within that, there were 3 brands and their respective authorized generics. So it was a 6-player market with 1 billion in total addressable market. And while Lupin's approval is for the generic of the Pro-Air, which is one of the 3 brands, most of the prescription in this category is written in the generic form, and hence Lupin will also be able to address the entire albuterol market with this approval, not just the generic Pro-Air market, and hence it increases the market size to the entire albuterol market. And with the entry of Perigo and Cipla in the earlier part of the year, this market has seen around 20-25% price erosion. So the current addressable market is somewhere around 800 million in my view. And assuming another round of price erosion of 15-20% and fair market share for Lupin, this could represent around 70 to 80 million revenue opportunities. And it is a high margin opportunity in my view. This product would be at least 60 to 70% gross margin, and hence it would be very much accretive to the gross margin as well as EBITDA and bottom line.
So would this lead to a re-rating then on the stock, Kunal?
So I think the stock has already run up significantly in the anticipation of this approval. However, I think, as I said earlier, this unlocks the larger potential of the complex generic pipeline, which includes another respiratory filings. One of the most important one is the generic Spiriva, where the company is first to file, and they also have other complex injectable ANDAs. So definitely, I think this is a first step, and this is a positive news. So this could lead to the re-rating. But however, I would still expect some of the clearance in terms of the USFDA regulatory issues. Once those start coming in, that would also aid to the re-rating of the stock.
Okay, Kunal, we'll let you go on that note. Thanks as always for that quick take on Lupin. That's a big buzzer in trade and predictably so.